everyone, my name is Piper and I have a few friends right here and we're gonna interview
Efren Pangagreyes.
Efren Batay the Pangag.
Hello, Efren Pangagreyes. What are you doing? I'm sleeping. I'm the man, you know. Efren Batay ka ba? Dili ka ba ni Paksiw? Hey, why are you called Efren Batay? Because I'm the kid that I'm Tiguang and I'm senior citizen, junior. And what is your sport? Shoot the ball into the table. And the ball is number 1 to 15. And where do you get your skills in billiards? The table.
Ay, kuski mo tingog.
Do you like me? Do you like ours? Ours is oras that minute. What is your favorite sport? Shooting a ball into the table. Where did you get your skills? My dad that was running. Where is your training? What? Where did you train your billiard skills? The sports center. In the, in the van, how many hours do your training,
How many hours your training going to end?
24 hours. Last year. Where is your
Gusto kayo mo tingog ba?
where is your tournament going? Okay. Ay, saan gaganapin ang tournament mo? Sa
English.
California, Street, Leco, Street, Quarter Street. What season? Summer, winter, spring? Fall. Hapon. Ano sa ang opening sa tournament? Alas 12 sa buntag, January 8, 19, 10, 10. Sino po ito? Ito po ba yung friend niyo?
Is that your friend?
No, he is the tig-ilo sa aking labot. Ito, sino naman po to? I'm the police guard. He is the police on my door.
Police in my door.
Kung magbibilyard po ang kasama nyo, may pag-asa po ba? No. Why? Because I'm the man, Meron po ba kayo panghikayat para manood ang mga tao sa tournament mo? You say? I'm not speaking Filipino. I'm English. I'm English because my house is daghan lang siya and the ball. The ball. Ano po
What
to?
is your name? What is your name?
My name is Billiard. I'm the pro, and my hobby is Pangagreyes. Batang Pangagreyes. Ano po itong tawag sa gusali ito? Marami pong tao. Ang sobrang raming tao. Ano pong tawag dito? May patay na bibigsilan dito. Dahil ang mga tao ay nakaputi. Pero sa paningin ko, parang eskwelahan to. Parang puno. You know, I'm the man, you know.
Yo.
It's the bullshit in my leg. Sino po yung curly hair yun? Sino po yun? I'm the man, you know. Yes, the Bob Marley version girl. Sino po to? Yes, the ant killer. Hello. The ant killer. Alam ni Miss ba? The ant killer. Ayaw mo.
Okay, everyone. I'm gonna end this video. Stay awesome. Bye bye.